What's up, YouTube? Hey, we have another one out here today. We had a guy, unfortunately, lost his brakes going up a hill, and he rolled backwards, did some property damage, damage to his truck as well as his piece of equipment. His skid steer was actually over on its side. So we usually in a situation like that, we like to have our rotator out so that we can do it as easy and as quick as possible. But because the rotator, we had it on another job, so we just used our 9055 XL on this one, as well as another heavy that we have, so that we can get everything taken care of. The guys did a good job though, getting it open, rolls open up pretty quickly. Have a lot of short clips from this recovery, but the customer, man, he was happy, and we was able to service him and take care and get everybody back on their way. So stay tuned. Let me know what you think. Twist. There gotta be a lot of weight to twist it like that.
It was a lot of damn jerking.
One hell of a ride.
Yeah, it was a scary fuck.
Hey, Mr. Lewis, how you doing?
Other people's unfortunate.
What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How you doing? Good to see you, man.
I ain't seen you in a while.
It's been a minute, man. It's been a minute, man. Out here, steady working.
Yeah.
We all gotta do that, though.